Use left controller trigger to enable the main controller. Use your left controller trackpad to move around the scene in X and Y axis, and right controller trackpad to move around the Z axis.
The secrets of space and time are hidden within gravitation. It is the most mysterious of all the forces in the universe. It affects everything, always, everywhere, binding the universe together. Gravity makes the apple fall from the tree and shapes our entire planetary system. Gravitation traps the planet in their paths around the sun. It is the cosmic force that connects everything. The Earth.
What does the force of gravitation depend on?
Gravitation is the attractive force between two objects, like an apple and Earth. The power of gravitation depends firstly on how heavy something is, or rather, how much mass an object has.
How much what? Mass?
Yes, the power of gravitation depends on the mass of an object, meaning how much matter it consists of. Heavy things have more mass. The apple, for example, has such a low weight or mass that we do not notice its gravitational force. By observations during a total solar eclipse, at the moment when the moon completely covered the sun, the effects of the curvature of space had been seen by astronomers. According to Einstein, the sun's enormous mass noticeably deforms space, so that light from distant stars should be slightly bent as it travels close to the sun. This is exactly what happened during the solar eclipse in 1919. Astronomers photographed the starlight passing close to the sun. Their light had been deflected exactly as Einstein had predicted. What a sensation! The curvature of space. Einstein's theory had been proven. This is one of the 24 satellites of the GPS, Global Positioning System, as used by smartphones to work out where you are in the world. The GPS satellites circle the Earth at a distance of 13,000 miles. Since gravity is weaker out there, time passes more quickly than down here on Earth. This time difference, though small, would be big enough to mislead navigation systems by a few miles a day. Without Einstein's discovery that gravity influences time, GPS devices would not work.